Hi, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use video calling in Google Messages. So first, I just want you to make sure that you have the last version of Google Messages. If not, you just need to go through your App Store or your Play Store and check if there are any updates, and if there is an update, you just need to do it, and then go back to your app and follow the steps with me. So first, we'll tap on our app Google Messages, and as a note, and as we all know, this feature is on all the apps that people use to be activated on, like WhatsApp, Instagram, Threads, TikTok, and etc. Also, Google Messages has that feature. So what I want you to do is to choose that conversation that you want to make the video call in with, or that one that you want to do that, or to call, or to do the video call with. So let's, for example, go through my father, tap on it, and right here on the top you will see the option of that will allow you to use the video calling with your father, or with your friend, or anyone else. So if you don't have that option right here, just like me, you just need to tap on the name of that one, and then here, as you can see, we'll find that option of the video calling. So just by tapping on it, they will it says here, invite father to join meet so that you can video chat. So once you tap on send invitation, it will be sent it directly and automatically to him. He just need to accept the invitation, and after that you will be able, both of you, to use the video calling in Google Messages. And the thing is, it's so easy to be used, just like WhatsApp and other apps video calling. Anyways, guys, that's the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share that video with your beloved ones, and thank you so much for watching.